on the back of the property. Got the garden right there. And this pool is right over there. Let's see how we can kill. Usually you'll find some right up there on the top of the roof, but I don't see any right now. Seconds. What are you doing? Huh? Huh? Struck at me. See me. Woo! Goodness, what is up with the camera? Alright. Toss the gun right down there. And now it's our turn. Woo!
If I get this wrong, this thing could blow up.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Let's see. I'm gonna back up a little bit.
Switch, baby.
Tap on it.
Nah, it'll switch eventually.
Let me see it right now. The battery is dead on the four-wheeler, so we're gonna leave it charging for a little while. And in the meantime, we're just gonna go in and go swim. Go swim outside in the pool. So if I come out here, right there's the pool. Good sized pool right there. Fun to swim in. So, yeah. Catch y'all later.